What if I told you, this $200 vacuum picks up more pet hair than a $700 Dyson? But one best-selling model actually spits dust back into your air. After testing 15 vacuums, we're revealing the top 5 for carpets, pets, and allergies. The winner? It's so powerful, it scared my cat. All purchase links below, let's get cleaning. Starting at number 1. Miele Boost CX1 Parquet Canister Vacuum. Best overall. Miele vacuums are known for their top-tier performance, and the Boost CX1 is no exception. This sleek, compact canister vacuum stands out for both its design and suction power, earning a spot in our list of best canister vacuums. It features a universal floor head that easily switches between carpet and hardwood floors with the flip of a switch, no need to swap attachments mid-clean. For those who want to be extra gentle on their wood floors, it also includes a dedicated parquet brush. We also like that it's a bagless model with a hygiene air clean filter, which traps fine dust and allergens inside the canister. It's a great pick for anyone with allergies or sensitivities, offering a deeper clean without recirculating particles back into your home. On the downside, some users say the vacuum doesn't glide over carpet as smoothly as they'd hoped. Number 2. Bissell Hard Floor Expert Canister Vacuum. Best value. Bissell vacuums are top performers in our cleaning lab tests, and this compact canister vacuum delivers excellent performance at a budget-friendly price. It's designed specifically with hard floors in mind, thanks to a unique air-powered soft brush that gently sweeps particles from crevices without scratching delicate surfaces. The lightweight body makes it easy to carry from room to room, and the large 2-liter dirt tank is simple to empty. Just pop it open from the bottom to avoid a mess and limit dust from re-entering the air. While it doesn't have a HEPA filter, it still offers multiple levels of filtration, which is a welcome addition for allergy-prone households. Number 3. Shark Stratos Upright Vacuum. Best upright vacuum. Shark makes reliable, user-friendly vacuums that regularly perform well in our cleaning lab tests, and this model stands out for hardwood floors in particular. It features a dual brush system, a standard bristle brush and a soft roller that's tough on debris but gentle on delicate flooring. We also appreciate the odor-neutralizing technology in the dust bin, which is a thoughtful touch for pet owners. The vacuum's versatility is another major plus. It easily converts from an upright to a stick vacuum and even transforms into a portable canister for tackling stairs or hard-to-reach spaces. A sealed body and built-in HEPA filter help trap dust and allergens, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. Number 4. Kenmore Pet-Friendly Pop and Go Canister Vacuum. Best vacuum for pet hair. This canister vac is a powerhouse cleaning tool, especially for homes with pets and a mix of flooring types. While it's on the heavier side at 24 pounds, it makes up for the bulk with its impressive versatility and built-in features. A dedicated hardwood floor brush lives right inside the canister and pops out at the press of a button, so you're never digging around for the right attachment mid-clean. This model also comes with a motorized pet PowerMate tool that makes it easy to tackle upholstery and pet hair with the same machine. And because it's a bag vacuum with a true HEPA filter, it helps keep dust and allergens contained for allergy sufferers. Number 5. Dyson 360 Vis Nav Robot Vacuum. Best robot vacuum. The Dyson 360 Vis Nav is one of the sleeker, more compact robot vacuums on the market, but it doesn't skimp on high-end features. In addition to impressive suction power that adjusts automatically based on dirt levels, it offers voice control, app connectivity, and scheduled cleaning. It even creates a heat map showing where your floors are dirtiest, allowing it to ramp up power exactly where it's needed most. Dyson claims the 360 Vis Nav is the world's most powerful robot vacuum, with double the suction power of any other robot vacuum, at 65 air watts. Before testing the new vac, Carolyn Forte, executive director of the Home Care and Cleaning Lab at the Good Housekeeping Institute, told me that Dyson is very forward-thinking. Needless to say, my expectations of the 360 Vis Nav were high, but I was cautiously optimistic. Especially since my usual stick vacuum struggles with the thickness of my medium-pile living room rug, forcing me to use it on its lowest suction setting. Even then, it still feels like shoveling snow. So, which vacuum are you grabbing? Tell me in the comments, I'll help you choose. If this saved you from a bad buy, smash that like button, share with your clean freak friends, and subscribe, because next week, we're testing a vacuum so strong, it lifted my area rug. True story. All links are in the description. Happy cleaning!